Everyone, welcome back. I'm going to give you a little tour around my mess today, kind of keep you up to date on what's going on. It might be a little while before we get the next video out because we got a pretty substantial project here. This '05 Baja is probably going to be the next video, unless I do a Automotive 101 video between now and then. But it's got a turbo failure, pretty impressive turbo failure too. And then other projects that we have also, if you see the Subaru box on top of the roof rack of the Baja, that's a dash for my '08 Outback. So we're going to be doing another Outback video. And then way back on the back wall over there, let's see if we can walk over there and make it a little bit easier for you guys to see what I got going on. This right here, these are brake hard lines for my 98 Coupe 2.5 RS. And they are because the car has some pretty substantial cancer. That generation Impreza is pretty bad about rusting out anyway. And I was on my way home from work one day, cruising up the interstate, and realized that I didn't have any brake pedal. So most likely I'll determine this once I get the gas tank out. It looks like one of the hard lines ruptured above the gas tank. So there's going to be some pretty substantial rot on that car. That project's probably going to snowball big time, but once we get into it, we'll figure that out for sure. Any other projects happening right now? Eventually we're going to get on this engine back here. This right here is more of a storage unit at the moment, but this is a G54B. It's out of my 1984 Plymouth Conquest. I bought it from the original owner. I drove it for quite a while, and daily drove it on and off between it and 85 Corolla that I had, and drove it to work one day while I was getting it ready for paint, and went to do an oil change just to keep it updated and maintained. And chocolate milk, it looked like, came out of the drain plug. So, suspecting a head gasket problem, which the G54Bs are known for, I started tearing it apart to reseal it, do the head gasket and all that stuff. And when I pulled the oil pan off, it had some pretty substantial chunks of metal in there. So I'm going to have to do some more digging. It may have a balance shaft bearing that came apart. So my dad's trying to talk me into putting an LS in that car. And as fun as it would be, it's an 84. So it's a narrow body. It's not a wide body. So it doesn't have that aggressive appearance as the wide body does. And I bought it from the original owner. And it's got some, rare options on it. So I don't know how much I want to modify that car too much or not. So let me know in the comments below if you think I should keep it original and put the anchor back in front of it, or if I should put an LS in it or not. I'm kind of on the fence. If it was a wide body car, for sure it would have an LS in it. But with the history of this car, first year, rare options, I bought it from the original owner. I'm probably, and in my heart, I think I just want to keep the factory stuff in it. So let me know what you think. And I hope to have some projects out, videos out in the not too distant future for you guys. But we'll just have to see what happens. So between now and then, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss any of these projects or videos that I get out. And keep on wrenching. We'll see you next time.